Marie, thanks. We're watching the first updraft starting to go up. Nothing severe yet, but things could change in a hurry over the next hour. One cell moving through Kendall County with its eyes on Chicago. This one had some lightning. Now it's decaying in the cool air behind this front. Another one, though, going up near Wauponsee Township in southern Grundy County. This one looking to intensify quickly, so we'll keep an eye on it, let you know if it starts rotating or producing hail. Just in the last few minutes, well south of I-80, we have the first tornado watch of the day through 11 p.m. These areas where it's warmer south of the front. Strong tornadoes are possible. This is not the only area where there is a tornado risk, though. This may be expanded northward as the evening goes on. The severe storm threat today is significant. Flooding, tornadoes, hail, all big concerns. Wind damage possible as well in this red shading, a 4 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center south of I-80. This is our highest risk of tornadoes for many of us since 2013. Here's the actual tornado probability. Lower in Chicago, higher down south, closer to the warm front. Reason our tornado threat is a little lower in Chicago, it's 39 behind this sharp cold front at O'Hare, but much warmer to the south. 60s in Ottawa, 80 just south of there. South of the warm front, tornadoes, hail, and flooding a big concern this evening. Hail and flooding are main concerns, though a tornado cannot totally be ruled out farther north. Right now, ahead of any potential tornado warnings, think of where you would go in case one is issued. Basement or underground is ideal. Here's Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon with a look ahead at the rest of the evening.
Okay, so David, as you mentioned, it's going to be Ottawa to Joliet to Valparaiso southward. That is going to be the threat zone for tornadoes. Let's take you hour by hour as we head towards the next hour, 5 o'clock. These supercells start to gain strength. They could be rotating, so it's possible at the top of the hour we have some warnings to tell you about. We'll watch how these get even stronger. At 6 o'clock, the models are showing that frontal boundary just south of Gary, south of Joliet, into LaSalle County. Any of these could be producing tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. By the time we head into mid-evening, there's 8 o'clock. These are the thunderstorms focused in over Chicago and the western suburbs. Any of these could be producing hail the size of golf balls, if not tennis balls, along with gusty winds, and the flood threat is going to start to increase area wide around 10 o'clock and beyond. So any of these still could be on the severe side. We could even have still some rotating storms down around Kankakee at 10 o'clock. But as we cross over to midnight, early morning hours of your Thursday, look at this line of thunderstorms moves in. And that's why we're so concerned with the flood threat. And as David mentioned, a flood watch, it's in effect until 3 a.m. And along with that, down here towards the south, we have the tornado threat. I want to show you this forecast model. Anytime this starts to show these brighter colors, this is a high likelihood of supercell thunderstorms rotating. So we won't take this set in stone that it's going to be right in northwest Indiana and also Will County, but we are expecting rotating thunderstorms that could produce violent tornadoes here within the next couple hours. Marie, we'll keep you updated here from the Weather Center. Update the radar for you as well in just a few minutes.